How to turn on notification of videos from account you follow on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down to your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line here, click on it, and then go to settings and privacy, and then go to notification. Then you will just go down to video suggestion, and you will find video from accounts you follow. Now you have to turn on this by clicking here on this place, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.